proclaim your what? Nationality and your religion. Islam?
Islam.
But how do you actually proclaim your nationality and your religion? What? Man must be what he knows.
Islam.
That's how you proclaim it. Allah lives not in the noise of the tongue. So all the lip service that we give each other, let's talk about the lip service that we give each other. Oh, Mo, we're going to do this. Oh, Mo, we're going to do that. Oh, Mo, this is what I see. Oh, Mo. But then when it's time to implement those things necessary to bring about these particular conditions, right? Where are the Moors? Look at how many empty seats are here. Islam? It shows what ones are dedicated to. It shows in what direction your thinking goes. It shows the quality of your heart. Many people want to talk about this morsel of flesh captured in their chest. I don't want to talk about that. I want to talk about the center of your being, the center of your spirit, where it said that the attributes and the potencies of Almighty God Allah reside. But potential is what? Just that. When is it going to become attributes? Attributes are characteristics in action. When is it going to become that? Islam?
Islam.
I don't know it all. Never will I proclaim to. And I'm actually not trying to. Because even the Prophet Noble Ali instructed us in his Holy Quran not to even strive to know your soul perfectly. I'm just trying to do what I am here to do, my duty, my responsibility. And as once we take care of that portion, all of us together, take care of what it is that you are supposed to be doing. From Grand Sheik down to the latest member, we all have a duty. We all have a responsibility. And in the duty chapter of social duties, it says to give and receive reciprocal help. Islam?
Islam.
That's how this happens. So we're not here to do that. If we're not here to exemplify that, why are we here? Halloween is a couple days away. One day out of the year, society puts on costumes. But will you be the idiot that wears a costume all year round? Question. Islam, I leave to my country.
Islam.